Hi, my name is Kellen. I'm a professional pest control operator for both Bengal products and Bengal Pro exterminators. Today we're going to walk you through how to do DIY pest control using Bengal products. Now we're going to introduce Bengal Gold Roach Spray. With the innovative dry spray, no odor, no mess. It has a residual that can last up to 6 months and also an insect growth regulator. What is an insect growth regulator? It's additional active ingredient inside of Bengal Gold that prevents insects from being able to reproduce, which helps eliminate the infestation quicker. Bengal Gold Roach Spray also has a residual that can last up to 6 months. This helps put a barrier wherever it is treated. Anytime an insect crawls across that residual, it will die off. There you have it. Now you have some knowledge on how to do some DIY pest control using Bengal products.